एवरीवन। सो इस बार मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं कुछ डिफरेंट बनाऊंगी एंड बिकॉज अभी मेरा कुछ भी आफ्टर एग्जाम्स कुछ भी पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है एंड आई लिटरली डू नॉट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू. That's why I decided to make my vision board like for the first time. So I have never tried this before, like even any of the planner. So I decided to make my vision board. So I took some printouts and I have this small soft board which is I think perfect for my vision board. So I will make vision board with you guys online, and also I will share something about myself and also how my NEET journey was. So if you guys are excited about it, so stay tuned till end of the video and see how my vision board turns out to be. To starting with myself, I am Samiksha Hisaria and I am from Bihar, and I am in second year MBBS in Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. And yes, it's a private college, and I literally starting में थोड़ा regret हुआ था, like I should have studied more and took admission in a government college, obviously, like everyone dreams of, but I couldn't make it. And this is the reality. So I really don't want to hide it. And also, I think मैंने नीट में इतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं क्यों, because it was lockdown time and I didn't able to like focus from the starting. So but it's okay. In MBBS I'm doing pretty well and I got distinction in my first year, and so I'm literally happy from like where I am now, and I am like learning so much from this college and from all the faculty here. So I literally don't have any regrets now. So starting with my NEET journey in 11th class, it was a lockdown period, and I was in Akash Janakpuri branch, Delhi. So we had our all the classes online. So starting में ऐसा था कि बायो तो फिर भी समझ आ जाती थी and chemistry भी समझ आने लग गई थी because of the teacher. She was so nice and वो इतनी अच्छी सब कुछ explain करती थी, तो मेरे को chemistry मेरा favorite था due to the teacher. So बहुत बार ही ऐसा होता है कि कुछ subject आपको पसंद होते हैं because उसके professor या जो भी teacher होते हैं, she or he was nice to with you और बहुत अच्छी से explain करते सब कुछ करके. तो वही bio और chemistry was like going hand in hand, but the main problem was physics. So physics teacher was pretty nice, मतलब he was like extremely talented, but उन्होंने 11th को एज अ बेसिक का भी समझाया ही नहीं. वो हमेशा ऐसे समझते थे कि मतलब हमें ऑलरेडी सब कुछ आता है, बट लाइक मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी होती थी स्टार्टिंग में फिज़िक्स समझने में. सो उस जब से इंटरेस्ट था ही नहीं फिज़िक्स में, तो फर्स्ट नीट में मेरे फिज़िक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक आई गॉट ओनली 80 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 180. सो बायो एंड केमिस्ट्री वॉज लाइक प्रिटी वेल, बट due to physics I scored 505 marks in my first NEET attempt. Then in my drop year I joined physics wala. So this is not a sponsored video from any of the coaching institute or any of it, but it's all about myself. So yeah, so in drop year I joined physics wala, and like it's the thing, if you understand the teacher, like if he's like good explainer or something, so you'll get the subject. I started liking physics, but I can't believe on myself like how I'm getting it. But like each chapter was like too good because of Abhishek sir. He was literally so nice. उन्होंने इतना अच्छे सब कुछ explain किया, and it was literally so good motivator. So मैं अगर कभी क्लास नहीं जाती थी तो मैं उनके वीडियोस तो मैंने कभी स्किप करे ही नहीं. मैंने हमेशा उनके वीडियो हॉस्टल मतलब पीजी आके हमेशा उनके वीडियोस सारे देखे हैं. एंड इन माई सेकेंड नीट अटेम्प्ट आई गॉट लाइक 149 in my physics. I can't believe like 149, but in second attempt I got less in chemistry because it was like more of the theory questions and I couldn't make it. So that's why in my second NEET attempt I got 550, 555. So yeah, that's why here I am in private college. But I think you should not regret it because it's always how much you work for your goal and how much your luck is. Literally it matters a lot. And I think also one thing which matters is people around you. Because यहाँ पे मेडिकल कॉलेज में आकर स्टार्टिंग में तो आई वॉज ठीक है, मतलब पढ़ना है ऐसा ऐसा करके. बट when I met my friends जो अभी मेरे साथ है, I think it's the best gift ever you can get, best gift from God ever you can get, especially in the college. Because इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग से हमने एक दूसरे को इतना ज़्यादा मोटिवेट किया पढ़ने में. So I think from the starting of I was in boarding school from 6 to 10. So in that period of time also I got the best bunch of girls in my life, and in also college. So so these girls are very close to my heart, be it my school girls or my college girls. So yeah, keep your friends very close, and they are the only reason who motivated me to open my channel. Because I thought of opening it but I didn't have that much courage to do that. But yeah, you need that push. So you know that I started my channel in April, I guess, and May, I guess. So I posted one shorts, and when it got 50 views, I was so happy. I got my first 50 views, and that feeling was another level. But on the next day, I think I have my physiology practicals, and I literally couldn't do well. I knew the thing but I couldn't speak, and it went not that much good. So I came back and I deleted my YouTube account. So because I was YouTube was the reason I couldn't focus and all of that. So but then again I realized it's not about YouTube, it's about how you balance everything in your life. Because if you only study, I am not that person who can only study, and so I need something or another to do, like this what I'm doing now, making a vision board out of nowhere. So I thought of starting it again, and see, now I have a 10k views on my first long video and 10k or 11k views on my popular shorts. So yeah, I'm really thankful for you guys for making it, and also looking forward. I think I don't know I'll get 1,000 subscribers in this year, but yeah, I'll get it in next year or next month, I guess. So now let's do fatafat this thing. I don't know what else I should speak, but I really wanna do this video so that I can express what I feel, and also tell something about myself to my subscribers. So now I'll show you what's my vision for 2025. Starting with, I really wanna have a healthy skin, so I'll do much more skincare. Next, this is 2025. So I wanna learn pottery. So I will go to pottery class. Next up is I really want to do great in my academics, so I'll improve much more in second year. The main key of my life is consistency, so never forget to be consistent and balance each and everything. Next up is driving. I also really want to learn driving this year. This is some aesthetic pictures that I want to take. And these are my girly things. I really want to make much more memories with my girls. So this is another one. I really want to host one party. This is main thing of my life. Do not overthink and work upon it. Until and unless you don't work, nothing will happen. This is the key. This is more girlies memories. I really love fireworks. I really wanna visit, or I really wanna go on a fireworks show. So that's my vision for 2025. One more girly picture. One more gossip session with my girls. I love this one. I literally love this one. And this is my life circle, healthy living. So this is healthy. I will start my yoga and exercise session soon because I will not go swimming. I think I'll go like on random days. So cooking with my girls is the best thing ever. This is something on my medical side. And this is me. I really wanna shop so much. I love shopping. So this is here. I really wanna wear gajra ones in South Indian sari. So this is also I'll do this year. This is my goal for 2025 for my YouTube channel. I literally want 10k plus subscribers. So let's see I'll make it or not. This is my travel vision. I really wanna visit US this time. So let's see I'll do it or not. And this is also an activity with my girlies. So this is my vision for 2025 and let's now arrange it on this. This is the final board. I love it how it turned out, and let's see how my year goes. So if you are with me till end of the video, thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned. Bye.